Hey friends, thank you so much for watching. In today's video, we are all about the Chelsea boot. Fall is just around the corner. Who is ready for cooler weather? Leave a comment below. I love chatting with you guys. Now, boots are just starting to make their appearances in the store, and in today's video, I'll be sharing with you a couple pairs of Chelsea boots along with a couple of ways of styling them. Welcome, I'm Stacey, and in my channel, I share with you budget-friendly fashion, home decor, and more. And if that interests you, be sure to subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get a notification every time a new video releases. Chelsea boots are ankle-high boots, sometimes with or without a heel. They have elastic siding on the inside and out, and they often have a pull tab for help putting them on. Now, this first pair of boots is actually from Amazon. I picked these up in a nice beige color. The color is called Wheat. They're also available in classic colors such as black, white, and brown. Now, these do have a 2-inch heel. They have a 1-inch platform. These shoes, I would stay true to your size. They do have a narrow cut, so if you want something a little bit more roomier, maybe you like to wear these with a pair of comfy, cute, stylish socks, I would recommend going up half a size. What's great about a Chelsea boot is that it is a timeless fashion that is not only comfortable, but can be worn both formal and casual. Most boots are worn with jeans. Now, when styling your Chelsea boot, I usually recommend going with a cropped jean or maybe a skinny jean because these are such cute, stylish boots that they want to be seen. So I don't usually pair them with like a long bootleg cut jean. For a fun, youthful look, these also look great with shorts. Check out this cute little short jumpsuit that I just recently picked up from Walmart. This has a nice button-down elastic waist. It has a nice little collar, also 2 little pockets in the front and then 2 front pockets as well. Now, I did order this in a size large because I wasn't really familiar with this brand. I would recommend staying true to your size because this was just a little bit roomy and a little bit big, but overall it's just a very cute jumpsuit. It is nice and soft, and yeah, I just thought I really liked the little cream color. It has little pink flowers, a little bit of olive green in there as well. It's also available in like a denim blue color. I will have everything linked below for you guys. Hey guys, I just want to take a moment to thank all of my subscribers. I am close to 2,000 subscribers and this is so exciting. For those of you that don't know, I am a wedding photographer. I work alongside with my husband who does wedding videos. Together we capture about 60 weddings a year and I'm literally married to my work, no pun intended. Now, I started this channel just because the girls are grown now. I've been raising, 3 beautiful daughters for the past 20 years, and I'm at a point in my life in my mid-40s where I'm like, all right, I need to do something for myself now, because now I'm like, well, now what? Besides work, now what? So I started this channel, and I'm having so much fun. I love chatting with you guys, so be sure to leave a comment below. Make sure you say hi, but everybody's just been so wonderful. Thank you so much. I'm having a lot of fun doing these fashion hauls, the home hauls, and I have to say my home is getting quite organized too. I'm going through Amazon trying to find new things to be like, all right, I got to organize this drawer and that drawer. So I just wanted to take a moment to thank you so much. Now, on to this final pair of boots, and these are actually from Walmart. Now, I did pick these up in a black color. They're also available in like a beige color. They also have the 2-inch heel along with the 1-inch platform. This material is more like a suede and knit. It does have a nice little zipper going down the side and also the same pull tab. Now, compared to the Amazon boots, these have a good amount of cushion on the footbed. Now, these are more like a medium width, so I would recommend sizing down. I went with my true size, size 9, and they were just very large. I would definitely recommend sizing at least a half a size down. Even if you're going to wear these with big comfy socks, you'll have plenty of room. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.